Nobody is perfect. We all make mistakes. We say wrong things. We do wrong things. We fall. We get up. And we learn to grow. We move on. We live. And we thank God for always giving us another chance.
If you fail today, try again tomorrow. And if you still fail tomorrow, try again. Keep trying until you succeed.
I talk, I joke, I laugh, I give advice. But be careful when I'm sad.
Success takes time. Stay focused, stay positive, be patient, never give up, and do your best.
ZADA DANNY.
I talk, I joke, I laugh, I give advice. But be careful when I'm sad.
Forget mistakes. Forget failure. Forget everything except what you're going to do right now and just do it. The past is done, and you can't change it. What matters is what you do next. We all make mistakes, and we all fail. Those moments don't define who you are. What defines you is how you move forward. Don't let your past hold you back. Each mistake is a lesson, and every failure teaches you something new. Instead of focusing on what went wrong, focus on what you can do now to make things right. Every day is a new chance to start fresh. What's behind you doesn't matter anymore. What's important is what's ahead. Leave your mistakes in the past, and don't be afraid to try again. The only way to grow is to keep moving forward, even when it's hard. It's not about being perfect. It's about learning and improving as you go. So, stop worrying about what didn't work before and take action now. Your future is waiting, and it starts with what you choose to do today.